And after 7 years of trying, our firstborn came into the world via an emergency C-section. And so Melody Ann is her name. And so she was given a year to live. And praise God, she recently celebrated her 23rd birthday. So yay!
So happy to hear that. Thank you.
Yes. So Melody Ann is wheelchair bound, G-tube fed, and is total care. She uses a communication device to help us understand what her wants are. She usually starts her sentences with, "I want." Anyhow, so she was given a diagnosis of autism. Well, she wasn't given a diagnosis. It was suggested to us by one of the speech language pathologists that she had at the time. You know, maybe Melody Ann's on the spectrum. And once we started thinking along those lines, it was like, oh yeah, totally makes sense, and just certainly helped us understand a lot of how she was in her formative years. So our youngest came into the world via